Just acquired this absolutely lovely Jaguar XF. It's the 2.2 diesel R Sport, finished in pearlescent racing red. It's like a £12 option. Absolutely looks gorgeous with the black alloy wheels. It's got reverse camera. It's got park distance control, rear privacy glass, electric tailgate. Absolutely lovely, stunning condition. Half leather Alcantara seats. It's got electric memory seats, electric windows, mirrors. Lovely red stitch piping, contrast with the car. The lovely opening air vents, climate control, got heated seats. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth for phone, menu, a little storage box, cup holders, USB and aux, paddle shift for the gearbox, multifunction steering wheel, automatic headlights. And so 74,261 miles. At DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.